Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to use Google Bard as a Japanese translator. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type bard.google.com. If you haven't logged in yet, then I suggest that you log in first. Next, effortlessly insert the Japanese text into the chat to commence the process. The clever approach involves beginning your request with "Translate this in English," and then, with a single press of the Enter key, the secret is unveiled. Google Bard swiftly and skillfully presents the English translation before you, exposing the hidden intrigue within the Japanese words. However, the exploration of language doesn't conclude here. Should your curiosity inspire you to seek a Japanese phrase, the process remains consistently delightful. Just as before, say, "Translate this in Japanese," prior to inputting the appropriate English text. Watch as Google Bard adeptly responds, effortlessly providing the corresponding Japanese translation. Despite the impressive capabilities of the tool, it's crucial to remember that accuracy may fluctuate, especially in intricate scenarios or with nuanced language. A second review is always recommended. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.